Okay, so we're given information about limits, and then we're asked to find the following. So the question says, suppose that the limit as x is approaching -2 of p of x is equal to the value of 4. Then we're also given that the limit as x is approaching -2 of a different function, let's call it r of x, is equal to 0. And the limit as x approaches -2 of s of x is equal to -3. And so it's asking us to find the following. So given that information, they want us to find the limit as x approaches, this one isn't too bad, -2 of the following: p of x plus r of x, let's say minus s of x. So here's a case where just knowing your rules of limits, it's not too bad, and it's already given you the information to work with. So this is something like if we didn't have much time on an exam, I could give you things like this, and it shows me that you have an understanding of what we're doing. And so basically this, using our rules, we can break it down. We know those limits exist. That was one of our conditions. Then we can break it down as the limit of the sum or difference. And so this limit of the first piece is equal to, we said 4. So this is just equal to our 4 plus the limit of r of x. As x goes to -2, we found was 0, so plus 0, minus the limit as x approaches -2 of s of x, which is -3, so minus a -3. So simplify, we get 4 plus 3, which is 7. Let's just do one more. So what about the limit as x is approaching -2 of the following? You have -4 all times p of x plus 5 all times the quotient r of x all over s of x. So we know all these limits exist, and we can use our rules of limit laws to find this. So pretty much just, again, doing direct substitution. We got -4 times whatever the limit as x approaches -2 of p of x was. So up here we saw that that was 4. Plus this 5 all times, let's look at the limit of the numerator, r of x, as x approaches -2 is 0, all over the limit of x approaches -2 of s of x, which is -3. So -4 times 4 is -16, 0 in the numerator, with a number other than 0 in the denominator is okay. That's 0, so 5 times 0 is 0. So our result is -16. Oops.